Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about the top 15 amazing phone features you had no idea existed. Before starting this video, please like this video, and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Both iPhones and Android devices have their advantages and disadvantages, but the common consensus is that iOS is easier to learn and use, while Android provides greater customization and setup options. Even while Apple's operating system appears to be simple, there are plenty of complicated capabilities hiding behind its polished surface. The set of functions, services, and applications that mobile phones provide to their customers are known as their features. Mobile phones, sometimes known as feature phones, provide basic telecommunications. Handsets with more advanced processing capabilities strive to differentiate their products by incorporating additional functionalities to make them more appealing to users, using native code. This has resulted in a lot of innovation in the mobile phone industry over the past 20 years. Here are the top 15 amazing phone features you had no idea existed. Number 15. Write on email attachments. Sometimes one email attachment isn't enough to deliver all of the necessary information. So use Apple's built-in mail program to annotate it. You may add digital scribbles, text overlays, a zoom-in magnification window, and digital signatures to email attachments. To edit an image or PDF attachment you've received, simply open it, and tap the markup icon in the top right, a pen tip in a circle. When you click Done, it will ask you how you want to respond, or whether you want to undo your changes. You can reread your email before sending it. If you desire to reply or compose a new message, tap the attachment, and pick Markup for a file you've attached to a new email. Number 14. Receive notifications via camera flash. Those who prefer a visual phone alert over an oral one may like this little-known setting. You can make your camera's flash blink many times whenever you receive a notification. To activate the feature, go to Settings and select Accessibility. After that, go to Audio, Visual and turn on the LED flash for alerts toggle switch. You can tell the flash not to light up when the phone is in silent mode if you don't want to be bothered. This is an iPhone camera technique that has nothing to do with photos. Simply make sure no one believes you're photographing them when out and about. Number 13. Hide your personal photographs. When we want to exchange images or videos, we all hand our phones over to our buddies. But what if your collection contains sensitive photographs that you don't want anyone else to see? Fortunately, the iPhone makes it simple to hide your most private photos. Select one or more photographs under Photos, then tap the Share button and select Hide. Your chosen photos will vanish from every location in your library, but you'll still be able to see them in the hidden folder within your albums, as stated in the confirmation notice. Number 12. No outgoing calls. The following code only works on iPhones. Its major goal is to prevent any outbound calls. It is sometimes absolutely necessary, and this code will undoubtedly be useful. So, if you want to give it a shot, just dial *33*# and see what happens. You won't be harassed by any incoming calls anymore. Remember that you can switch off this feature at any moment by pressing *33*##. Number 11. Instant factory settings. It's good news for Android fans. Using the combination *#7780#*#, you can instantly restore to factory settings. Google account settings, as well as application data and settings, will be deleted from your phone. If you want to restore all of your default settings, you may do so with just a few mouse clicks. Remember that this combination is irrevocable, so use it only when absolutely necessary. Number 10. Whole reinstallation. You may always reset all of your settings at once if you want to take a step further, and set everything on your phone to your liking from scratch. Not only will the code *2767*3855# delete all of your phone's files and settings, but it will also restore the firmware. So, think twice before you do it again. There's no going back after you've pressed this combo. However, this code will only function on Android devices. Number 9. Improved communication. Only iPhone users have access to the *3370# combination, which activates EFR coding. It improves the quality of your communication, but it depletes the battery. As a result, once you enable this feature, you must be ready. Your phone will die much more quickly than usual. However, you can always deactivate this feature by dialing number 3370#. Number 8. Pay attention to yourself. For Android users, there is another intriguing function. You can listen to recordings of your own voice from the previous 20 phone calls by dialing the combination *#####, 8351 #####. You can use it just for fun or use it when you need to refresh your memory. With this code, you cannot miss out on yet another fantastic opportunity to grimace at the sound of your own voice. But do I want to do this? No. Number 7. Service Center Number. When in need, iPhone users can instantly find the phone number of a support center for the current carrier by dialing *5005 *7672#. This is a fantastic approach to obtain the correct number right now, rather than having to look for it elsewhere. Apple, you have a fantastic concept. Number 6. Turning off quickly. You know how when you long press the power button on your phone, it gives you options like silent mode, airplane mode, and power off. Android users will understand what I'm saying. For Android smartphones, there is a simple code that will allow you to change the power button action. If you dial ****7594 ***, your phone will turn off without displaying this short menu. Isn't it true that this trick can be pretty useful? Number 5. Call waiting. We've all had those frantic and busy days, where you can't keep up with everything that's going on. Multiple calls and messages throughout the day are practically an unavoidable part of some of our daily routines. If you're in this group and have an iPhone, there's a really useful tool that can make your life a lot easier, *43#. By entering it and clicking the call button, you'll enable call waiting on your phone, which means you'll be notified if someone calls you while you're already on hold. Call waiting also allows you to immediately answer a new call. It's a definite must-have. You can always go back to the beginning by dialing number 43# if you change your mind. Number 4. Hit backspace in calculator. If you spend a lot of time in the iOS calculator app, you're probably familiar with the irritation of mistyping a digit and having to restart the computation. You won't have to use the C or a C keys every time you make a mistake thanks to this secret backspace function. Simply slide to the left or right at the top of the screen to change the digits. The motion works as a backspace command, removing the last number you typed. While we're on the subject of calculator, have you ever twisted your iPhone to put it in landscape mode? This view displays a slew of additional features, but it'll only work if your phone isn't locked in portrait mode. To check, swipe down from the upper right corner of the screen on an iPhone 10 or later, or up from the bottom of the screen on the iPhone XE and previous devices to open the control center. Make sure the lock with the arrow around it is not triggered. Number 3. Signal information. For iPhone owners, there is an intriguing option available. Because graphic mode does not always display the signal level correctly, it is occasionally preferable to use numeric mode. To do so, tap *3001 number 12345# to enter field mode, then press and hold power until the off slider appears, then release power and press home. In dBA, you can now see your signal. Keep in mind that the worst signal you may have is -140 dBA, while the greatest signal is -40 dBA. Tap the same code again to exit numeric mode, then press home to exit. Number 2. Straight to voicemail. It's no secret that everyone has days when they just don't feel like answering the phone. It could simply be that you want to be alone, or that you need to concentrate on something far more important, and all these calls are distracting you. In this case, iPhone owners can use the call forwarding feature to have all incoming calls directed to voicemail. All you have to do is dial number 21 and voila, no more annoying phone calls. When you're ready to pick up your phone again, you can always set call forwarding off by dialing the same number. Number 1. Hide your number in outgoing calls. Finally, we arrived at one of the most intriguing hidden functions of your phone. First and foremost, it is fantastic that it works for both iPhone and Android users, and second, it is this easy combination number 31#. It's absolutely worth a try to find a phone number that would allow you to mask your phone number in all outgoing calls. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thank you for watching.